Hey there, Internet. My name is Jack Packard, and welcome to Adventure Is Nigh presents the Mostly Improvised Dungeon. What I have here today is a couple lovely players. I have asked them to bring me some character sheets completed, and that is all of the preparation we are doing for this game. Everything else in this Dungeons & Dragons game will be based off of these prompts that not even I have seen. I am here today with Alan Guszkowski.
I will be playing Reef Seafoam Turtle Barbarian.
I am also here with Bella Zeimet.
I'll be playing Magnolia the Magnificent, who is an arcane trickster half-elf.
Your turtle again was a barbarian?
Yeah.
Oh no. So normally a dungeon master would have a plot hook prepared for you to start the adventure. I haven't done any preparation, so we are going to go to our first prompt, the plot hook. The queen has floated away in a bubble. Find her, save her, return her. Let's do this. Let's figure out where we are going to start the adventure. You two are in a local puppet theater. Perhaps enjoying a puppet show.
Of course we are.
So up on stage, you'll see like a little puppet like, ah, what's happening over here? Oh, I sure do love you. Ah! Little frog and pig puppet.
The actors are so small.
Oh, that's the end of the sentence. Of course. You know, I could probably do something like that.
Oh.
I bet I could.
You're not that small.
Oh. But you know what is? I'm gonna cast my mage hand.
Okay, great.
My mage hand's gonna come up, go behind the puppets, and start wreaking havoc in the puppet show.
So there's a frog and pig puppet in the puppet show, so you start mage handing them? Okay, let me roll for intelligence for the puppet master. That's a 5, so I'm going to say the puppet master, a ghost! And the puppet master starts flailing around.
What a twist.
See, a much better show.
So yeah, the puppet master is thrashing around back there because he believes his puppets are haunted. Just then, I'm going to say like a town guard kicks in the door and says, "Oi, we've got a problem. The queen has floated away in a bubble."
And she doesn't do that normally.
We're nowhere near the ocean.
That is correct. We are
Bubbles need water.
Oh, you might be right. Sounds like you're the two for the job. I'm just a town guard. I obviously can't help the queen.
Clearly.
And I don't know nothing about water.
I just bring out my great axe in the middle of the puppet theater. I can pop a bubble.
Oh, maybe not that aggressive, but who knows better? I don't know any better. Why don't you give me an intimidation roll? As a heads up, I want you to roll low or else this guard is going to be really freaked out.
Sure. 17.
You're going to go after the queen yourself with that axe, aren't you?
The bubble will pop.
Oh, okay.
It's okay. My companion here is just very passionate about this city and helping the queen.
Okay.
Don't you worry a thing. Can I do a little persuasion?
Please, dear God, do some
Awesome.
persuasion.
Bubble.
Ooh, okay, not a great roll. I've got an 11 there.
You got an 11. Oh, I'm gonna need some better persuading than that.
Let me show you how I pop bubbles. Can you give me a bubble?
Can I give you a bubble?
Can I prestidigitation a bubble?
Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect. I love
Beautiful.
that.
So I'm going to, out of my canteen, I will take out prestidigitation,
Yes.
a little bubble. Behold!
All right, aggressive yet delicate. And I just go into a full, like, almost over ballet, like, intricate, like, whip around, almost hitting people, not actually hitting people.
Oh, but
And
you
then
didn't
I
hit him.
Just turn it around, and on the very end of the great axe, I just give it the. Ta-da!
Miss Magician, you're so great.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Leave a tip.
Yeah.
She takes off the tiniest top hat.
Gee, okay, yeah, it gives you like a copper, like, all right. Now, there will be plenty more, reward to come if you can rescue that queen. She is floating away currently in a bubble. She was heading south.
Is she looking for a king? By any chance?
Your turtle has eyebrows.
I know where they'd be.
A 1 through a 10, there is no, or a 1 through 10, there is a king. An 11 through 20, there is no king. There isn't a king right now.
Now's my chance.
You're up, hotshot. Let's get that queen.
Time for a turtle wax.
I'm gonna be honest, that sounds like a terrible pickup line, but just
No, it's a process so I can look my best.
Oh, all right. Well, why don't you all head south and get yourself a queen? Perfect. You leave the puppet show. You're in the middle of town square. You start heading south. Way in the distance, you see the queen trapped in a bubble, very high up. This is, hundreds of yards away.
She's tinier than the actors were.
It's just the distance.
Why don't you both give me a perception check?
Oh, okay. I don't have great perception.
I think I can get mine on that.
Oh, 19.
12.
A 19 or a 12? For a 19, you notice a shady-looking smuggler. Dark cloak wrapped around them, and they seem to be looking at the queen going,
I'm going to saunter up to this here smuggler. Oh, well, hi there.
Oh.
You look like somebody who likes some magic. Some tricks of the trade. I pull out a deck of cards.
Oh,
I start
okay.
shuffling the deck of cards.
yeah.
All right.
All right.
Sir.
She's getting smaller.
And Reef, for your 12, what I'll say is you do notice that the queen is lowering a little bit. Okay, yeah, cards. Yeah, that's fine. That's
All
fine.
right.
I'll do some cards.
So, as this is happening, as I'm card shuffling, I want to use my mage hand, which is invisible, using Arcane Trickster.
Okay.
And I'm going to rifle through their pockets
Yes.
and try to sleight of hand to see if I can get anything off of this guy.
Okay. Oh, look at the cards. Look at the cards.
Look at the
Okay,
cards.
great.
Look at the cards.
Great.
All right. That's a 19.
That's a 19 sleight of hand. Enamored by your card trick. Enamored. And what you find in his pocket, a slingshot.
We could use that.
You get a slingshot. What I will say is this slingshot, you are a person of magical background.
Yes.
This slingshot does seem to be radiating a magical aura. Maybe it has little jewels on it.
All right. Wonderful.
Card trick. Card trick. Yeah. Wow, you're shuffling so much. I can't wait for the trick to start.
All right. She's gonna hand him a card.
Oh, okay. I got it.
I'm just gonna bop him on the top of the head using the flat part of my great axe.
Roll me an attack. Roll me an attack.
Then 18.
Hey, you got +6 to that.
100% you bonk him on the head. This is a low-level smuggler. Boom! You knock him right out.
Ta-da!
And what I'll say is, there's like a handful of people on the street that go, oh,
Ladies
okay.
and gentlemen, come see our act next week. And then
You make people fall down?
you'll find out next week.
Great.
And we're off.
Wonderful. You do notice in the distance, the queen does now seem to be lowering in her magical bubble, but she is still very far off.
Can I Arcana check this slingshot?
100%.
Wonderful. No. 13.
A 13 Arcana check. And I guess what is it you are looking for?
I'm trying to figure out if I can determine maybe, I don't know if this is a detect magic thing though. Again, don't play spellcasters often. Can I determine the kind of type of magic that it seems to be radiating? I know 13's gonna.
This type of magic is, it's not illusory magic. This is a conjuration.
Ooh.
This is conjuration magic.
Okay.
And for, what did you roll?
A 13.
A 13. So yeah, you can definitely sense this is tied to, because conjuration is like the creation of things, right? So you can tell this is tied to the creation of things.
Or if it makes things, could you make a bubble, shoot me in that bubble, at the bubble?
I don't think my canteen bubbles are going to be strong enough to hold you, unfortunately.
Don't body shame me.
Okay. All right. We've been over this. Sometimes.
It's a mostly thick shell.
Hey, it's a me problem, not a you problem.
Okay.
Don't worry about it. All right. I'm gonna see if I can just like shooting at like a nearby like tree or something that wouldn't need to be shot at.
Okay.
Really. I just want to pull back
Yeah.
and see what happens.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
What you notice is as you let go, there is definitely an energy that goes with it, but like you're aiming at a bucket and the bucket seems unaffected.
So can I pick up a stone and try loading that and seeing?
Absolutely.
Okay, I'm gonna pick up a random pebble from the ground, try that, see
Great.
what happens there.
Yes, and there what you notice is that stone leaves the slingshot with an added force, a magical aura surrounding the stone.
Got it. All right.
So what happens is you see the queen descending into the abandoned KFC.
The Colonel's got her.
That's fine. I'm hoping for some breasts and thighs at the end of this.
You and me both, buddy. Let's go.
All right, so you make your way to the abandoned KFC. All the doors and windows are boarded up as it's abandoned. So that's what you come across. Big building, you see the faded bucket, the faded colonel.
Do we see any sign of the Queen anywhere?
The queen, last you saw, she was descending, and so you can't see the top of the roof.
Is she in the bucket?
She might be in the bucket.
Oh no, we gotta get up there.
Okay, yeah,
right.
yeah. We'll say this is a freestanding bucket on a sign pole, maybe 30, 40 feet high.
All right.
Do I just start chopping?
Oh, well, if she's in there and she falls, if it's 40 feet high.
Catch her.
All right.
It'll
Well,
be romantic.
why don't we try climbing it first? All right. I've got an
Oh.
Yeah.
If you want, I can still throw her down and catch her if she's there.
You're gonna climb up,
Yeah.
chuck her out of the bucket.
Oh, well, you'll catch her.
Oh, okay.
Well, can I get, so it's just a freestanding pole, you said?
We're gonna say, because this is a KFC, this is classic, roadside sign. So, maybe a pole that has a diameter of 3 feet.
Okay.
All the way around, that goes up to a big KFC.
Oh, that you can see from the highway.
Well, yeah, one of those, and a big bucket on top.
All right. How to climb.
Alley-oop. If you miss the bucket, I'll catch you.
All right. Well, I do have an explorer's pack, I think, which does have some rope in it.
Okay.
All right. I don't think I have a grappling hook. I don't know about this. I feel like there's a better way to do this.
They don't call me Thunk for nothing.
Why do they call you Thunk?
Dunk, dunk, dunk. Ta-da!
All right, you know what? Sure, I'll get we'll try a boost.
Okay.
I have barely any athletics, but I could try an acrobatics,
Sure,
perhaps?
I'll take an acrobatics.
Okay.
For me, would you want just raw athletics then? Because it's just
You give me any sort of strength check that you would like.
I'm gonna go just athletics.
Perfect.
Because all I'm doing
Yeah.
is heave up.
Great.
Yeah, okay. Nat 20!
15.
Oh, okay. A 50. Well, first of all, hold on.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, that's right.
that's right, there's things that
We had
happen.
special cards made. This was not my idea, so I came up with these
Yeah.
things that I wanted prompts for. Mike, our prompt writer, decided that he thought we should have these. I will even fan these out. You don't get
Now
to,
you get to. Oh, you know.
yeah.
Pick a card.
Pick a card, any card. This is your Nat 20 reward.
All right. A lifetime supply of pork and beans!
They didn't clear out the old sides locker from the KFC.
So what happens is Thunk hurls you up into the bucket, and with the grace of an acrobat, you cartwheel up the side of the bucket, land in the bucket. You do not find the queen, but you do find a lifetime supply of pork and beans.
Good news and bad news, Thunk!
Give me the bad news first.
No queen up here.
What?
None whatsoever. However, beans and pork.
And pork.
Beans and pork?
You could even say pork and beans.
How much,
You
roughly?
see boxes and boxes of cans of porks and beans.
Definitely enough to sustain one life form for their whole life.
Oh. I'm a life form.
Exactly. So I don't know how I'm gonna get this down.
That's up to you.
I'll catch it romantically.
Okay, I'll try throwing one box.
Okay. Sure. Reef, you are a warrior barbarian, a turtle. I'm not going to make you roll for catching the boxes if you would like to just catch them.
However, me with an 8 strength is like using the edge to tip them over.
Perfect.
Like, and then I gotta get out of this thing.
Yes, you do.
So, all right.
What's the opposite of alley-oop? Oopla.
Oopala! Here we go.
Oopala.
Can jump out.
I will make you roll
I thought you
to
might.
catch Magnolia. Magnolia, if you want to help with this against any sort of like athletics, acrobatics
Okay,
check,
cool.
maybe even a dexterity I could buy.
Yeah, I'll do an acrobatics again. That'll do. Oh. This time I got a 7.
I only got a 24.
Ah!
So
So
I get up.
Magnolia
Oh.
like trips out of the bucket, starts tumbling down. Reef, I'm just gonna say you like catch her by her ankle.
Harlem Globetrotter just.
Yep.
Oh,
A-do-do-do.
gotcha.
A-do-do-do.
Thanks a plenty.
You are still outside the KFC, the abandoned KFC. You have boxes and boxes of cans of pork and beans.
Great.
What are you doing now?
I think we gotta
Break into
break
the
in abandoned KFC. Exactly what I was thinking.
Okay.
Have at it.
You're gonna attack.
Just front door,
Great.
overhead, swing down.
Perfect. Give me an attack roll then.
25.
25. You break down the door and you're hit by, hold on. You break down the door. All of a sudden, a gust of air rushes at you as you're hit by and filled with a blast of sour helium.
Oh no!
That's disgusting.
I don't know what happened.
Both of you give me a Constitution saving throw.
Oh no.
Dirty 20.
Dirty 20.
13.
Reef, you are able to keep your feet planted, but Magnolia, you start lifting off the ground as you are filled with sour helium.
Oh no!
Oh no! Pass me some of the beans!
I don't think more blasts of air
Pass me some of...
is the right answer.
I gotta get on the ground! Pass me some of the beans!
Okay, yes, and now you are weighted down by boxes of cans of beans. You slowly float back down.
Oh
my god. That's alright.
Yes, after...
Let's do that again.
I don't think so.
Okay, so yes, you take a few moments, you breathe out all of this sour helium, which is somehow different than regular helium.
Like lemon zest helium.
Extreme!
Critical!
I think the Sweet Lightning Mountain Dew limited run from the KFC must have gone bad.
Of course.
I'll check the machine.
We should have seen it coming. I don't...
Oh.
There's something jammed in here.
Oh no. There's something jammed in the soda machine. What falls out into your hand is a unicycle with 2 wheels and a set of handlebars.
Wow.
I've never seen something like it.
No, the wheels are vertical on each other, but the handlebars are one between the wheel and one straight up at the top. Should I try it?
I do want to see it, so yes.
Perfect. Okay, so you crawl on this 2-wheeled unicycle. I need some sort of check from you. Any kind of bullshit you can sway me here. I need some kind of check.
You know what? Let's go performance, because why not?
Perfect.
All right.
Perfect.
22.
Yeah!
Choop, 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 choop. Oh my god.
We're putting it in the act!
Okay.
Just then, up, by the way, this KFC, 2 stories. Up at the top of the stairs, you see someone slow clapping at your unicycle performance. Why, it's someone you've met already. The innkeeper, Mr. Walken.
Hey, Jeff.
Wow. I assume, Mr. Walken, you did such a great job there. That's a terrible impression. I'm sticking with it.
Well, it's his brother Jeff, so
right.
it's okay.
Who spent some time in France.
It's not Christopher at all. We just have the same parents. So, you've come to rescue the queen.
And possibly more.
Is that for me? You you came to get with me?
Oh, flattered, but no.
Oh no, I'm not me either. I was confused by the winking.
Oh, I'm trying to hook up with the queen.
Oh. Well, no.
Well,
I'm trying to hook up with the queen.
Oh,
Oh, no.
but Mr. Walken, why are you in this abandoned KFC?
You see, I used some bubble magic to lure the queen to me. I thought I would gift her all of the treasures of this KFC.
we've already looted the pork and the beans.
Not my pork and beans.
Both of them.
No. All right. Let's roll initiative.
Okay.
And that's when Mr. Walken says, "Hey, don't worry, this will be a fair fight because I've also brought with me Jorlyn, the keeper of secrets."
Oh.
And suddenly behind you, uncloaking her invisible cloak. That's right.
Jorlyn, my nemesis
That's right.
on the streets.
Yes.
You've been taking my customers for years.
Oh, you and your parlor tricks, your card tricks. It's Jorlene's turn. But Magnolia, you get to go first.
Great. I am going to. Is she within 5 feet of this guy?
I'll say yes.
She's right behind us.
She's right behind you.
All right. So because she's within 5 feet of my ally, I can use my sneak attack.
Oh, you're correct.
Okay.
That's how
great.
that works.
Okay. Wonderful.
I don't like that, because that means you might end Jorlene pretty quickly, but I'm also making up her stats, so we'll see.
Okay. Can I also move to the other side of her so we're flanking?
Oh, fuck you. Some people know how to play this game, and that's bullshit. Of course you can.
great.
Of course you can.
All right. So I'm gonna attack with my short sword. Okay, that is a 16 to hit.
A 16 hits.
Okay, 11 piercing damage.
Okay. Ah!
Be careful, Jorlene also stole my friend Dolly's man.
It was easy.
Your ease.
Oh! It's your turn, Reef.
So I'm still up on the unicycle.
Yes, you are still
So
up on the...
height-wise, does that sort of, if I pedaled my way over to Jeff Walken on the second floor, am I in striking level with him, or am I not that high?
You can, yes.
Okay, so that's what I do.
Okay. As soon as you pedal away, Jorlene will get an attack of opportunity. Jorlene rolled an 8, so she unsheathes the short sword and says, damn turtle. And you make your way. So you're at the bottom of the stairs. He's like on the top over a balcony.
Okay.
So you roll right up to the balcony. Yeah.
Okay, and then is he close enough to the balcony where I can just swing from there? Like just squeaky, 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 squeaky.
You can.
That's what I'm gonna try to do.
But I will make you roll attack at disadvantage.
How could being on top of a double unicycle as a turtle possibly be a disadvantage?
I know, it's crazy. It's crazy.
16.
Okay. Yeah, a 16 hits Mr. Walken.
I was so busy being on the unicycle, I forgot to rage. All right, that's fine.
I will not allow you to rage on a unicycle. A unicycle is full of joy.
Okay, to be fair, Rage on a Unicycle was Reef's band's name in middle school. But that's fair. All right, so here we go. 5.
Okay, 5 damage to
Plus
Mr.
your-
Walken.
Plus your strength.
Okay, so 9.
So 9 damage. Okay, 9 Ow!
Good.
All right, it is Jorlene's turn. Jorlene, who is a similar magic user, twirls around and is now facing you, Magnolia. Have I got a spell for you? It's a conjuring spell, because we have all these lovely things, right? And so Jorlene conjures a dragon's egg.
If it didn't say egg afterwards,
know.
I was going to lose my mind.
Just a dragon?
Just in the case,
Straight up dragon in the KFC.
Don't worry, I'm a magician too. Dragon.
So a dragon's egg appears above you, falls on your head, and cracks open, covering you in a viscous goo. That's going to slow your movement and give you disadvantage on attack rolls.
Ew.
Yeah.
Disgusting.
Haha! See? Look at all the fun stuff I can do. That's a dragon's egg. That's what she does. And then it is Mr. Walken's turn. Like, I won't let you take my queen from me, and turns to run away. So you can get an attack of opportunity on him, but he's going to run away.
I'm definitely going to do that.
Okay, great.
Am I still at disadvantage?
Yes, you are still at.
But I'm stationary.
You are on a unicycle.
But I've already established I'm against the railing. I'm doing the little kid leave.
Do you
Fine, disadvantage.
You have to do. You are balancing on a unicycle.
Do you play op attacks with advantage though already, or no?
No,
Oh,
not
okay.
usually.
I mean, do I roll again? It's a nat 1. I crit failed.
Not one.
Alan, the Nat 1 deck.
I'm
has
scared
been
for this.
This is so exciting.
I'm not even gonna look.
Okay, any card you want.
All right, so I swing at him,
Yeah.
and instead of hitting him, my mouth gets so dry, it sounds like you have a mouthful of peanut butter.
Oh, but you already sound like you have a mouthful of peanut butter.
Walk like supposed to mean. Magnolia. Jeff is getting away.
Jeff Walken runs away as you are now dehydrated. That gets us back up to Magnolia.
Okay, because I'm not a magic user often. Prestidigitation, I can clean myself with prestidigitation, right?
You can instantaneously clean or soil an object.
I mean, if you're willing to call yourself an object.
Magnolia is an entertainer. She belongs to the people. All right, so I'm gonna use prestidigitation and poof myself clean.
No, I took a lot of magic to conjure that egg, you bitch.
I know.
Tickle.
I don't care.
Oh, dang it. Reef.
Okay.
Oh, no.
So, how far am I from Jorlin?
You are within 20, 30 feet, we'll say.
Could I just push off from the balcony and let the unicycle take me down axe ready at her?
100%.
Okay.
100%.
Do you need anything from me other than an attack roll?
I need, instead of an attack roll, I need, we need some sort of way of, how are you aiming this?
Sure.
What's your BS ability check roll for how you are aiming this fall? I will allow just about any ability check roll here.
Since I'm axe in hand going towards the floor,
Yeah.
I'm just gonna call that raw survival.
Sure, I'll take that.
Let's see what happens.
You have to survive the fall.
Yeah. Axe,
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a two-sided axe. It's not like this could, That's a 7.
Great.
Here we go.
You smack into the floor 10 feet away from Jorlin, taking 6 points of damage.
Sure.
You are face down, axe overhead, in the floor.
I'm glad the Colonel wasn't here to see that.
Jorlin, startled by your fall, looks to you and says, "Oh, okay, well, I've got something for you then." And, brings out her magical wand and conjures a sticky bottle of Gorilla Glue labeled lip balm. And Jorlin, this is... Shout out to Mike Kauth who writes the prompts. That's great. Jorlin walks over to you and gorilla glues you to the floor.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be my mouth again. Sure.
No, so she conjures Gorilla Glue labeled as lip balm and Gorilla glues you to the floor. And that is going to be her turn. Mr. Walken, Mr. Walken is out of sight, so you don't know what he does. Magnolia.
I am going to cast Tasha's Hideous Laughter
All right.
on her. So it's a wisdom saving throw.
Sure.
It's a DC 12.
Jorlene rolled a natural 1. Ah, that's right.
Give her the peanut butter.
All right.
Okay, Jorlene.
So you cast Tasha's Hideous Laughter.
Yes.
And Jorlene goes, that silly little spell won't work on on me. And she starts laughing because bass player and singer for Kiss, Gene Simmons, shows up and claims you are best friends.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I don't know him. And you know, right? This is my best friend, Jorlene.
She is she's prone and incapacitated.
By Gene Simmons.
By Gene Simmons. It's a 1-minute concentration, but she can make the save every time she takes damage.
Great, yeah, so Gene Simmons is just like tickling her, like, oh, yeah, we're friends, and you like it when I do this. Gene, no, I swear.
While she's incapacitated, I'm going to use that to get away.
She's busy with Gene Simmons.
Yeah, so
You 100%
I'm going to follow towards the direction of Jeff.
Love it.
Yeah.
You run up the stairs following Mr. Jeff Walken. Reef, you are super glued to the floor.
It's super cheap linoleum. Here we go. What do you need from me to try and just physically rip?
No, let's do strength saving throw.
Yeah, that's a 22.
Yep. Bits of floor stuck all over you.
I like it. I'm going to walk over to what we thought was busted soda machine, but since the only thing wrong with it was the unicycle had been stuck in it.
Right.
And I'm just going to punch the tank and try and fill my mouth with the Mountain Dew Sweet Lightning Special Edition to KFC to try and undry my mouth.
I love it. I love it. Just roll a d20 in case you roll a natural 1 again.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
6.
Okay, great. I will allow this. You are filled with whatever this drink is. I will have to Google it.
It's delicious. It's essentially peach.
No, okay.
Makes sense for KFC.
Love it. You are now satiated. You can turn over your natural 1 card.
Cool.
And then I'm just going to follow
Yeah.
up the stairs as well.
You both run up the stairs. Okay, yeah, Jorlene is basically locked in the most awkward conversation with Gene Simmons ever. He will not stop tickling her. Gene, I want to rock and roll all night. You two run upstairs. First of all.
She runs surprisingly like a turtle.
You go up both stairs, round the corner. You see just the shadow of Mr. Walken closing like an office door behind him down the hallway.
Let's go.
Okay.
All right.
But as you walk down the hallway, you trigger a pressure plate trap. Swinging down from the ceiling is 11 pounds of chicken. They are flying at you.
Live chicken.
I've got your 11 herbs and spices right here.
Both of you give me a dexterity saving throw.
18.
16.
And perfect. Yes, you are both able to deflect the 11 pounds of chicken.
All right, going for the door. Is it locked?
The door is locked.
Okay, can I unlock it? Can I use?
I
okay.
can.
Go ahead.
Smash! Either an attack roll or a strength check.
19.
100% hit the door, shatters it, and on the other side, you see Mr. Walken down on one knee and the queen still trapped in a bubble. Oh, I've already said no thank you. Come on, we could be together.
Don't take the ring. I know where his brother keeps his watch.
Thel, thank God you're here. Help me, help me.
All right, I'm going to go and attack Jeff.
Jeff.
I'll attack Jeff.
Jeff Welken, yeah.
Yes, with
Walken.
my short sword.
I love it.
Oh, I don't. That's an 11.
That does not
Yeah.
hit. So yeah, Jeff, who is down on one knee, is able to kind of roll out of the way of your sword.
All right.
Yeah, he's proposing to the woman that I feel should be mine, so I'm going to fully rage,
Okay, all right.
and I'm just going to charge right at him.
I love it. Great. So yeah, you rush in with your axe. Give me an attack roll.
18.
That hits. That hits. Your axe comes down on Jim Walken. Is that
Jeff.
what
Jeff.
Jeff
Yeah.
on Jeff?
How many brothers are there?
Our parents were Catholic.
Oh, say no more. 11.
Doing 11 damage. So your axe comes down hard and splits Jeff into. Oh, says one side. No, says the other side.
Looking at that being not quite what I expected, maybe you should pop the bubble.
Okay, I'm gonna go up to the bubble.
Yeah.
First of all, does it seem arcane in any way?
Just by looking at it, there does seem to be a magical energy. If you want to give me an arcane check,
Okay,
you can do
I'll do an
that.
arcana
Yeah.
check here. All right, that's a 17.
A 17? Great. Yeah, as some of like the blood and viscera slowly like slime off of the bubble, the queen looks a little horrified. You definitely sense this is conjuration magic, 100%.
I'm going to take a piece of something off the ground.
Like,
Yeah, sure.
sure, on the ground you find a lute, but not just a lute that has been endorsed by Chumbawamba.
All right. Well, with this Chumbawamba loot,
The lute got knocked down, but it'll get up again.
it will.
Yeah.
Can I fit it in the slingshot?
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Loot in the slingshot.
Yes.
Sponsored by Chumbawamba. And I'm gonna release it into the
Sure.
bubble.
The lute sails through the air. We'll be singing when we're winning. You did it! You solved the puzzle that we made up 30 minutes ago.
Yay!
The bubble pops, and the queen is released from her arcane prison. Thank you both so much.
Of course.
I don't have a ring to offer. Instead, let me offer you this. I've had it since I was a child.
This? Oh. You pull out from your back pocket.
Queen, we never got your name.
Oh, Tamitha.
Queen Tamitha,
Yes.
I love you. Will you marry me as I present to you a bag of a giant's dandruff?
Oh!
'Cause if you marry me, it'll be a real head scratcher.
Yes! Yes, I will marry you! And the queen jumps into your arms.
Loot, Chumbawamba us away.
Do.
The sounds of Chumbawamba fill the abandoned KFC.
What a phrase.
as you and Queen Tamitha start making preparations for your wedding. And that was it!
Yay!
Thank you all for watching and or listening to the Mostly Improvised Dungeon. Hopefully we get to do this again. For myself, for Bella, and for Alan, goodbye.
Bye.